Oppo has continued its minimalist design philosophy with the upcoming Find X8. The device's packaging, recently revealed by Weibo, features a sleek lid-and-base design and a predominantly gray and white color scheme. The box includes standard accessories like a phone case, SuperVOOC charger, and data cable, but the actual phone remains hidden. We have already seen the device's front design. The device boasts an ultra-narrow, symmetrical bezel display which is very similar to iPhones. It's also slimmer and lighter than its predecessor Find X7. The Find X8 is also expected to feature a premium metal frame and glass back with an IP68/69 rating for water and dust resistance. It measures 7 mm thick, weighs 190 grams. As per leaks, the device will sport a 6.5-inch BOE display with 1.5K resolution and ultra-narrow equal-sized bezels. The phone will include an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor for secure access. The Find X8 will feature a triple camera setup, including a Sony LYT 650MP periscope telephoto lens, although macro support is absent. The device is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, with 16 GB of RAM and Android 15. The Find X8 will have a 5700 mAh battery with 80W wired charging and 50W magnetic charger. The Find X8 series launch on October 21st. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.